12:22 this afternoon, and we had a pretty cold start to the day, or cool start to the day. Temperatures approached the 60s overnight. 60 degrees in Edinburg, 65 in McAllen, 64 in Harlingen. It was 63 Weslaco, 67 in Brownsville, a little bit warmer near the coast. And those winds are shifting from the north to the southeast, so we're going to see a warmer day today. Currently, we're at 83 degrees in McAllen, 85 in Weslaco, Harlingen, Raymondville, also in Brownsville, and 84 in Port Isabel. The rest of the day, we're looking at temperatures approaching the lower 90s, 93 degrees for Rio Grande City, 92 in McAllen, 88 for Harlingen, 87 in Brownsville. And overnight tonight, still a little cool, not too bad, 72 degrees for Weslaco, 73 in McAllen. And we could see some overnight fog developing, especially in the morning hours, valley-wide. It's not just restricted to the coast tomorrow. It'll be valley-wide. So we could see some patchy fog. Winds right now out of the northeast in Brownsville, but check that out, southeast in Edinburg. The wind shift is already starting to happen. And let's take a look at future track. We'll see a couple of clouds come in through the rest of this afternoon, but mainly clear conditions for the overnight hours. And then we'll start to see some fog developing in the morning by Saturday morning. That fog kind of dissipating through the afternoon. Mostly sunny conditions for Saturday. And then we'll see a couple of fronts coming up the next couple of days, but we'll talk about that in just a bit. Right now, tracking the tropics. Potential tropical cyclone 16 continues in the Gulf of Mexico, in the center of the Gulf, continuing off towards the northeast at 22 miles per hour. It's going to eventually make landfall as a tropical storm Saturday morning near Panama City. Right now, there's tropical storm warnings for the panhandle of Florida. That storm continues to push off towards the northeast, eventually making its way into the Atlantic. Let's take a look at rainfall totals for that area. We're looking at almost 5 inches of rain in Pensacola. It's actually gone up in the last hour, 6 inches forecasted for that area. So that rain will continue to push off towards the Carolinas, eventually making its way into the Atlantic Ocean. Right now, we're tracking that storm. It's continuing to move off towards the northeast. But if you look at the map, we're starting to see another cold front coming into the valley. This is another weak cold front. We'll see some showers develop along that cold front. We could see some scattered thunderstorms on Monday afternoon. It looks like Tuesday kind of dries out. This is the European model. Some other models, the GFS models, suggesting that we see some more rain on Tuesday and Wednesday. But right now we're looking at about a 20% chance of rain. That may increase the next couple of days. And we're also seeing a secondary cold front. So this one might be a little bit stronger. You see all those isobars. That means really strong winds. This is a strong cold front. Could see temperatures knocked down into 50s and 60s for that cold front. But for now, we're talking about Monday, scattered showers and thunderstorms, 50% chance of rain, 20% for Tuesday. It dries out Wednesday, and then we'll see that next cold front coming in. So we'll see the chance of rain increasing for Thursday. At the Bay, winds shifting from the north to the southeast at 10 to 15 knots, seas 2 to 5 feet. Partly sunny today with a high temperature at the coast around 82 degrees. 89 for today. The interior parts of the valley feeling a little bit warmer. Winds shifting to the east-southeast, and then we'll see some patchy fog through the overnight hours into the morning. That fog kind of dissipating the rest of the afternoon. So by 10 p.m. it looks like that fog is clearing the area. Friday looks partly sunny. Temperatures around 89 degrees. 96. It warms up on Saturday. 94 also on Sunday. So pretty warm weekend. If you want to head out to the beach, go and do that. It's going to look like a nice weekend. But then we'll look at that rain chance coming back into the forecast for Monday as that cold front comes into the area. 82 degrees for a high on Tuesday. A little bit more comfortable with lows in the 60s. 64 degrees for Wednesday. Mostly sunny conditions. And then we'll start to look at the secondary cold front coming in Thursday night into Friday afternoon. So there is another increased chance of rain Thursday night into Friday. So that's for the future. Right now, that's a complete look at your first Warm 5 AccuWeather 7-day forecast.